Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a very important topic: the early symptoms of leukemia. These are signs that can often be mistaken for something else, but understanding them is crucial. Leukemia is a cancer of the blood, and like many cancers, catching it early significantly improves the chances of successful treatment. So, let's dive into the warning signs you should never ignore. First, what exactly is leukemia? It's a cancer that begins in the soft, spongy center of your bones, called the bone marrow. This is where your body produces blood cells. In leukemia, abnormal white blood cells start to grow and multiply uncontrollably. These cancerous cells then crowd out the healthy blood cells your body needs to function properly. This leads to a shortage of healthy red blood cells, a lack of platelets which help with clotting, and a weakened immune system because the white blood cells aren't working right. This chain reaction is what causes the symptoms we're about to discuss. Let's break down the 9 key signs. The first and most common symptom is constant fatigue and weakness. This isn't just feeling a little tired after a long day. It's a profound exhaustion that doesn't go away, even with plenty of rest. This happens because the leukemia cells are crowding out healthy red blood cells, leading to a condition called anemia. Without enough red blood cells to carry oxygen throughout your body, you feel drained and weak all the time. The second sign is frequent or recurring infections. Your white blood cells are the soldiers of your immune system, fighting off bacteria and viruses. When leukemia affects them, they can't do their job properly. As a result, you might find yourself catching every cold that goes around, developing fevers more often, or noticing that small sores or cuts take much longer to heal. Your body is struggling to defend itself. Third on our list is easy bruising and bleeding. Have you noticed strange bruises appearing on your body without remembering how you got them? Or maybe your gums bleed every time you brush your teeth, or a small cut just won't stop bleeding. This is because leukemia also affects your platelets, the tiny cells responsible for blood clotting. With fewer platelets, your body can't form clots effectively, leading to these bleeding issues. The fourth sign is unexplained weight loss. If you're losing weight without changing your diet or exercise routine, it's a significant red flag that your body is fighting something serious. The cancer cells consume a lot of energy, which can lead to this sudden and unintentional drop in weight. Number 5 is night sweats. We're not talking about feeling a bit warm at night. Leukemia-related night sweats are drenching, often soaking through your pajamas and bed sheets, even if your room is cool. These are often linked to the body's response to the cancer cells and the infections that may accompany them. Next, we have bone or joint pain. This symptom occurs when the cancerous leukemia cells build up in the bone marrow. The overcrowding creates pressure from within the bone, causing a deep, dull ache. This pain is often felt in the long bones of the arms and legs, or in the hips and ribs. The 7th sign is swollen lymph nodes. Your lymph nodes are small, bean-shaped glands that are part of your immune system. They can swell up when they're fighting an infection. With leukemia, they can also swell because cancer cells have accumulated in them. You might notice painless lumps in your neck, under your arms, in your groin, or above your collarbone. Number 8 is pale skin. Anemia, which we mentioned earlier, can also cause your skin to look pale. When your red blood cell count is low, there's less oxygen-rich blood circulating near the surface of your skin. This can give your skin, lips, and even the inside of your lower eyelids a pale or washed-out appearance. Finally, the 9th sign is shortness of breath. This is also a result of anemia. When you don't have enough red blood cells to carry oxygen to your muscles and organs, your body feels starved for air. You might find yourself getting breathless from simple activities that used to be easy, like walking up a short flight of stairs or carrying groceries. So, when should you see a doctor? One of these symptoms on its own might not be a cause for alarm. However, if you're experiencing several of these signs together, and they've persisted for more than a couple of weeks, please don't dismiss them. The best thing to do is schedule an appointment with your doctor. A simple blood test can often provide initial answers and help rule out or confirm any serious conditions. Remember, early detection is absolutely key and can truly save lives. Leukemia symptoms can be subtle and easy to overlook, but knowing what to watch for gives you the power to act early. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more important health content. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.